Hello everyone, I am Shridevi from SECAB Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we'll be looking after the distributed denial of service attack, the prevention and the detection. The second method is through IP trackback. There are two approaches. The first one is the packet marking, where we are keeping the track of the packets that it is visiting the routers, and the second one is packet logging, where each router is going to keep track of the packets that is passing through it. The first one is a probabilistic packet marking. Now when I am been saying it is a packet marking, that means for every router the packet is being transferring from every router. If I take it, so it is going to write the router's address wherever it is been visiting. So suppose if I take it is been visiting, then now if I take every router is having a 32-bit of a IP address. For each packet it has to be uploaded, then obviously the payload is going to increase. Now how do I avoid this one is simple. I'm going to use a 16-bit field that is present in IP header, which helps in the fragmentation and the reassembly. But again, when I'm been saying it as a 16-bit field, when I take a more number of the hops, then obviously the payload is more. So for that purpose, to avoid that one, we are using a global fingerprint for each router. Now you can see in this one the alphabets are marking as the routers where each and every packet is traveling here. Now you can see in the packet 1 it is been transferring through the router D, and the packet second where it is been transferring first through the B, and then it is overwritten by the router C. So this is the way they are been tracking the IPs. The next one is the second method is packet logging. In this packet logging, as already we have seen that the router is going to keep track of each and every packet that is being transferring. Now when it is transferring, the point is that the every router has to keep track of every packet that is passing through it. Now the problem is that even if the router saves the packet even for 5 minutes, then the problem is with the storage capacity, because for 1 minute there will be a lot of the packets transferring through a particular router. So how can we avoid this one is to generate a packet fingerprint or the digest. Now how we can use this one is by using a very efficient data structure called as a Bloom filter, which is providing the packet insertion and packet presence check. So how it does is every packet that is being transferring from the particular router, they are going to generate the hash values. So it can be any number of the hash values. So let us assume the k hash values are generated. Now you can see here P7, P309 and P1054 packets have been transferring. The hash values are being generated. Now at the presence check, you can check for the P7, the hash values it is going to map. Now it is going to map with the hash value being generated for P7 at this particular point, and you can check even here also. But now if you check, the hash value generated for P7 is not matching with the hash value that was being generated earlier, but it is matching to the hash value that is being generated by the packet 1045. So hence it is easy for us to track that this is a packet that is being inserted by an attacker. Hope the concepts are clear for you. Thank you.